shirts.
And today we're going to be opening our new tie-dye kit with the Swirly and Style tie-dye studio. So let's get started. Are you ready, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's open it. And we just set it all up. So now we're gonna get one of our white shirts at Walmart. It was like $2 at Walmart. But before you're gonna put it in here, you need to soak it.
Yeah.
You're not gonna put it dry. You're gonna soak it and then like wrap it in rubber bands, and then you're gonna put it inside here. And these little spots right here, you're gonna get your dye, whatever you want, and then you're gonna put it inside. But to open it, to put your shirt in, you're just gonna like open it like that. And then you can close it back. Okay guys, I almost forgot. There's like this little like thing where it shows you like however like design you want your shirt to be. And it tells you what color you can use for all the designs.
Yeah, guys.
We're gonna tie-dye our shirts now. Are you ready, Chris?
Yeah.
Let's get started. Okay guys, so we set everything up and now we're gonna put the dye in between these little holes so we can put the color inside the white shirt, and then we're gonna mix this. So let's do it. I'm gonna use purple and blue. Okay guys, so that's all I'm gonna be doing. There's a little bit of white there, but that's okay. Okay guys, so now it's Christian's turn. We're gonna come back and put a new shirt in. Okay guys, so it's Christian's turn, and Christian's gonna use orange and yellow. Go ahead, Chris, put it in. I'm so happy. So I love this shirt so much. But I'm going to show you guys. Ready? 3, 2, wait. Oh, wait. I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's like layers. Blue layer, purple layer. These two are mixed, so I love them so much. Now we're gonna come back with Christian's turn. Okay guys, so Christian's gonna hold up his and I'm gonna talk for him. Ready, set, go! 3, 2, 1.
That's how good. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, make sure you grab.
So hope you guys like this video. Us making
us scrub.
Yeah, we already said that. But give a like on this video if you love making tie-dye shirts with us. And also, you can get all this stuff from Walmart. We'll see you on the next video that we're gonna make. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.